Hey everybody, hopefully you enjoyed your 2-hour delay today, but we have some work to do. So we're going to get right into Unit 6 today with lesson number 1. We're going to be looking at extended division facts today. So if you're not too excited about division, you better get on board because that's what Unit 6 is all about. Knowing your multiplication fact is always going to help you with your division, especially today when all we're doing is extending our facts. We're just making it a little bit bigger by using zeros. So we're talking about hundreds and thousands and 10,000s instead of just ones. All right, so I have your math message for you this morning, and here it is. So go ahead and take a look at this, and if you need a whiteboard, just pause, get yourself ready to answer the question. The question is, the principal is ordering snack-sized bags of pretzels. 9 cartons contain 540 bags. How many bags come in a carton? Now, I already told you we're going to be working with division facts today, so you should be able to figure out that this is a division problem. What I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and write an equation with a letter for the unknown to show your work. You don't have to do your answer yet. Just how would you set this problem up to figure out the answer? All right, now I want you to actually solve this problem. So I might have a couple different number models for this. I could say 9 times b equals 540. That would be one way. So I know that there's 540 total, and I'm looking for this b here. So that would be one way. Another way, I could do 540 divided by 9 equals b. Okay? The only thing I'm looking for is this final answer. I could also do 540 divided by b equals 9. So there are a couple different answers there that I would have accepted for you. All right, so if you were to set this up, here's my number model, and I have 540 equals 9 times b. My 540 is called a dividend. This is the number that I'm actually dividing. Okay, so the dividend is what you are dividing. 9 is my divisor. This is the number that divides into that 540. Then the last number, which is my b right now, is called the quotient. A quotient is basically the answer to our number model when it's division, just like a sum is to addition or the difference is to subtraction, or the product to multiplication. So now we have quotient to division. So I want you to tell me, what is your answer to this problem? What is the quotient? B equals what? In this case, I'm looking at this 540, and I don't even have to worry about that 0 right now. Okay, that is something that I'm really not worried about because that's just an extension fact. So I'm thinking, how many times does 9 go into 54? Well, 9s, you can do your 9 trick and count your fingers, or if you know your multiplication facts, you're going to be able to get like that. I know 9 goes into 54 6 times. But 6 times 9 is only 54. I don't have 54. I have 540. So I know that there are 60 bags per every carton. So if we were to make a fact family from this, and I can even do a fact family triangle, I'm going to put my 540 at the top. That's my dividend. My 9 is here, and we're talking about division or multiplication. Okay, and my 60 goes over here. This is what some of your math journal is going to be looking like today, where you're actually trying to find what the fact family is. So I'm going to have a few questions here for you towards the end. And I know this is a short video, which is great because we have kind of a short day. But let's just say I have the number 350 divided by 7 equals L. When I'm looking at this, I don't worry about my 0. Okay, I'm just looking at my basic fact of 35 divided by 7. Well, 7 goes into 35 5 times. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to get that 0 that I wasn't worried about before, because my answer is 50. L equals 50. Now, let's just say my number was 3,500 divided by 7. And you might be saying, oh man, this is Langford. We're dividing by thousands. Crazy. Or you might say, Ms. Langford, this isn't really hard because it's just zeros, which is exactly what I was hoping you'd say. So I'm going to not worry about them. Not that I'm getting rid of them. I'm not going to worry about them right now because I'm only worried about my basic fact, which is 35 divided by 7. I know my answer is 5. 5 doesn't make sense if I look at my actual dividend. My dividend says 3,500, so I know I need a 500 here. Okay? Let's try another one. How about 320 divided by 4? The 320 divided by 4 equals W. Basic fact, 32 divided by 4, we're talking 8. Real answer, 80. Try this one. Smarter pants. 3,200 divided by 4 equals M. What does M equal? It should equal 800. Okay, so that's basically today's lesson. You can work, as you get your group assigned, you can either work as a small group, or if you want to pick a partner within that group, I'm okay with that too. It might cut down on some of our voice levels in the classroom. Just make sure that if you have an odd number in your group, that no one gets left behind, because that never feels good to be left behind. So you're going to be working on journal page 191 in a little while, and don't get tricked by the zeros. So if it says the basic fact, you put the basic, and then if you have to extend it, that's when you throw in the zeros. Make sure that you're writing for full number models, and good luck.